Today we're going to learn how to understand and use the words wanna, gonna, and gotta. These are informal words, but they're very, very common. So it's important that you understand when people say them to you. These are examples of reductions. So these are short versions of words that help people speak more quickly. So as I said, wanna, gonna, and gotta are not formal English as such, so you need to be a little bit careful using them in formal situations, such as a business meeting or giving a presentation. However, English is quite an informal language when it's spoken, so most of the time you're going to be fine using these. So let's get started. So first we have wanna. Wanna means want to, and we use it before a verb. I want to go home. Do you want to eat? So with wanna, we need to be careful with the subject. So we can say I wanna, or you wanna, or we wanna, or they wanna. But once you get to he, she, and it becomes he wants to, or she wants to, or it wants to. Let's take a look at some examples. I want to play outside. Do you want to watch a movie? We want to go to the beach. They want to visit the museum. He wants to buy a new car. She wants to learn Spanish. It wants to eat the biscuit. Next we have gonna. Gonna means going to, and again it is used before a verb. I'm gonna call you tomorrow. They're gonna arrive soon. With gonna we need to use the verb to be, so subject-verb agreement is important. I'm gonna, she's gonna. Okay, so we have I am gonna, she is gonna. But we don't say I am gonna. Usually we would say I'm or she's. So both of the words are going to be reductions. Let's take a look at some examples. I'm gonna call my friend. You're gonna finish your homework. We're gonna travel to Italy. They're gonna play basketball. He's gonna start a new job. She's gonna have lunch. It's gonna rain tomorrow. So notice for he's, she's, and it's, the S is pronounced a little bit differently. So he's and she's is like a Z sound. He's, she's. It's more like an S sound. It's. Lastly, we have gotta. G-O-T-T-A. Gotta. It sounds more like a G-O-D-D-A. Gotta. And this means got to, and it shows that something is necessary. And also we use gotta before a verb. I gotta go. You gotta see this. Again, subject-verb agreement is important here. So we can say I gotta, you gotta, we gotta, they gotta. But when we get to he, she, it, it's he's gotta, she's gotta, or it's gotta. Let's take a look at some examples. I gotta finish this project. You gotta see this movie. We gotta leave now. They gotta clean the house. He's gotta wake up early. She's gotta study for her exam. It's gotta be fixed soon. You will sometimes hear a slightly different form. So instead of I gotta, you gotta, we gotta, they gotta, you might hear I've gotta, you've gotta, we've gotta, they've gotta. Now both of these styles are informal and both are commonly used. I probably use both. I'm not sure which one I use more often. It kind of just comes out naturally, but both versions are informal and it's up to you to choose the one that you feel more comfortable with. I've got to finish this project. You've got to see this movie. We've got to leave now. They've got to clean the house. So I want to show you how this can really speed up your English. I'm going to give you a sentence that uses all three of these. So first of all, I'm going to give you the full version with no reductions. I want to go, but I have to finish this, and then I am going to leave. That's the full version. The version with reductions, I want to go, but I got to finish this, then I'm going to leave. You can see how it's much, much quicker to use these reductions. Take some time to practice this. It's a good way to just get used to how these sounds fit into sentences. Let's take a look at some other examples. I want to travel to Italy, but I got to save some money first. I'm going to go next year. She wants to watch TV, but she's got to cook dinner first. After that, she's going to relax. If you want to see the movie, you got to buy tickets. We're going to go tonight. So next time you're watching a movie or watching a TV show, listen to how often people use this wanna, gonna, and gotta. It's really, really common, and if you can start using it in your English, you'll be able to speak much more quickly and with more confidence. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something that you would like to learn about. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.